How's your salad?
Good. How are your potatoes?
Fine. It was really nice outside today.
Yeah, spring has sprung.
Achoo!
What just happened?
We just switched bodies!
I look like my worst nightmare.
My appearance improved and I have a newfound self-confidence!
How will I ever step foot in public again? I'll be thrown into a dumpster immediately.
My life will never be the same! I can already imagine all the free drinks I'll get!
What are you talking about? You look hideous.
Hey, that's just an insult to yourself, lady!
This has to end. I'll never work another day in my life.
This new face is going all over LinkedIn!
Hey,
You're right. Spring really has sprung.
yeah, it has, hasn't it? Hey, eat some potatoes. Did you even wash them? No. Oh man.